Hello student, standard 7th English medium, subject maths, exercise 1.1, question number 9. Use the sign of greater than, less than or equals to in the box to make the sentence true. See, so first -8 plus -4 and then other side -8 minus -4. So first we have to solve it and afterward put the sign. So first -8 plus -4. So the answer is -8 minus 4, that means -12. And the another side -8 minus -4, so that means +4. Now the answers come -8 plus 4, that means -4. Now which one is greater, students? -12 and -4. So -4 is the greatest number. So the sign is less than. In second number, -3 plus 7 minus 19 and the other side 15 minus 8 plus -9. So the solution is -19 and -3 plus 7 and the other side is 15 minus 8 minus 9. Now if we solve the sign, then 4 minus 19 and the other side 15 minus 17. So 19 minus 4, that means -15, and here 15 minus 17, that means -2. So which one is greater? -2 is greater than that of -15. So the sign is less than -2. Next, C. 23 minus 41 plus 11 and the other side 23 minus 41 minus 11. So 23, first we subtract 23 minus 41, that answers come -18 and afterward plus 11. After that 23 minus 41 and 11 both are negative, so that it's become 52. So 52 minus 23, it's become a -29 and the other side -18 plus 11, so that means -7. Now -7 is greater than that of -29. So here the symbol is greater than. Afterward in D, same like that, 39 plus -24 minus 15. So -24 and -15, so it's become -39 and 39 minus 39, that is become 0 and the other side 36 minus 52 plus 36. So 36 and plus 36, 72 minus 52. So answers come 20. Now students, see 0 and 20, who is the greatest number? 20. So here we write less than 20. Okay students, now same like that complete the question E. Next, in 10 number, a water tank has steps. Inside it, a monkey sitting on the topmost step. So the first steps, the water level is at the 9th step. वाटर लेवल जो है वो कहाँ पर है स्टूडेंट्स? 9 स्टेप्स पे है. सो फर्स्ट ही जंप्स 3 स्टेप डाउन, देन जंप्स बैक 2 स्टेप अप. स्टूडेंट्स, वो जो मंकी है क्या करता है स्टूडेंट्स? 3 स्टेप डाउन जाता है और 2 स्टेप अप जाता है. सो इन हाउ मेनी जंप्स विल ही रीच द वाटर लेवल? So we have to find out that in how many steps it will take to reach the water level. Second question is there, after drinking water he wants to go back. For this he jumps 4 steps up and then 2 jumps back. In previous that is given 3 steps down and 2 steps up. In the second question given that after the jumps 4 step up and the 2 step back. So in every move, so how many jumps will he reach at the water level? Now third questions also it's given. See the solution of first step. He jumps 3 step down and jump back 2 step. So following number ray shows the jumps of monkey. So first step he jump 3 step down. So like that after 1, 2 and 3, 3 step, and same like that he move 2 step up. Afterward same like that. So here we write first jump equals to 1 plus 3, that means 4 step. First students कितने जंप लगाता है वो? 3 स्टेप. तो डायरेक्टली फर्स्ट से वो कहाँ पर पहुँच जाता है स्टूडेंट्स? 4th स्टेप पे. वापस वो 2 स्टेप जो है वो बैक मीन्स पीछे आता है. 1 एंड 2, ये 2 स्टेप वो बैक जाता है. सो सी इन सेकंड जंप 4 minus 2 equals to 2 step. Again same types of pattern is the follow. Third jump what happens students? Plus 3 then 5 step. फर्स्ट उसने स्टूडेंट्स क्या किया? फर्स्ट प्लस 3 स्टेप, उसने 3 स्टेप का जंप लगाया तो आगे वो 4 स्टेप पे चला गया. वापस सेकंड जंप में वो 2 स्टेप रिवर्स आता है. सो रिमेनिंग 2 स्टेप्स. बट आफ्टरवर्ड अगेन थर्ड जंप 3 स्टेप down. So 2 plus 3 then it's become 5 step. In 4th step jump 5 minus 2. So first we add 3 and afterward 2 minus plus 3 and minus 2. So same like that if we continue apply, then 11th jump 6 plus 3 and he reached the 9th step. So he will reach 9th step in 11th jump. 9 steps जो है वहाँ पर पहुँचने के लिए उसे कितने जंप लगाने पड़ेंगे स्टूडेंट्स? 11 जंप. ओके. नाउ इन सेकंड नंबर क्वेश्चन he jumps 4 step and then jumps down 2 step. Following number ray shows the jumps of monkey. Second point में students he jump 2 down. First 4 steps. So see here at the first step and he jump 4 step, so it's become 1 plus 4 fifth. So directly he goes to the fifth step, but afterward 2 step down, so he comes 2 step this 1 and 2, so it's become 3. Afterward again 3 plus 4, so it's become 7. Okay students, now again 3 comes to 2 step down, so 7 minus 2, that means 5, and 5 plus 4, that means 9 step. ओके गॉट इट स्टूडेंट्स, ये 9 स्टेप पे इस तरीके से वो पहुंच जाता है. सो द नेक्स्ट थर्ड पॉइंट इज देयर, does the monkey reach back on the first step in the fifth jump? In third number, -3 plus 2, -3 plus 2 up to n, so the answers become -8. And B, 4 minus 2 plus 4 minus 2, same like that, so the answers come 8.